Hi, welcome. In this session, let us see how to install Apache Maven in our Windows 10 operating system.
I'm Kumar and welcome to my channel on tech and tutorials.
So this is the Maven official website, and once you go here, you can see the download link here and then install link as well, where it will show how to install in any machine. You need to have Java installed in your machine to work with Maven. So ensure Java home environment variable is set and points to your JDK installation. So I have Java version 8 in my Windows, and once after I download, you need to put it in, extract it and put it in a proper location. So then I go to the download link in the same page here, and the current version, latest version is 3.6.3. So it says that it needs to have to install Maven 3.3 plus you need to have JDK 1.7 or above. I have JDK 1.8, so this is going to be okay for me, and there's no minimum memory requirements and all. And then scrolling down, you can see the archive zipped folder here for the Maven 3.6.3, and this binaries is for the Windows 10 Windows operating system. So I click this link and it will start to download in my system. So after downloading, I have put the zipped file in my Windows C folder, and inside that C folder, a Maven folder I have created. Inside that, I have kept my zip folder. In this folder, we can extract this zip. So right click and do is extract here, and then this will create a folder Apache Maven 3.6.3, and it has all the files and folder inside this folder Apache Maven 3.6.3. So I just copy this, and we need to go to the environment variables again, environment variables, and click the advanced setting, and then you get this dialog. And here in the environment variables, we have to set the Maven home first in the system variables. Let's create the Maven variable here. So we have to put a variable name like m2 underscore home, and we have to provide the path that we copied, C Maven Apache Maven 3.6.3, and click OK. So we have added the Maven home m2 home path, and then we go to the path variable in here, and we need to add the bin folder in here. So we'll add one more in here, and what we'll do is, since we have already have the home folder, we'll do a percentage m2 underscore home, and then again a percentage, since this is how you define a variable in the path, and then we provide the bin folder. So this is done. You can also set the Maven ops system variable, which is actually used by the scripts that launches the Java virtual machine or JVM when it runs Maven, which will limit the memory usage when we run the Maven program. So let me add that as well. So the variable name is maven underscore ops, and then we have to provide xms 256M. What I'm setting is minimum memory of 256 MB and a maximum of XMS 512M, since I would not be running much high memory usage programs, so this would be actually okay for me. I can come back and increase if my application needs to use more memory and all. So, and then I click OK. So this is done here. I've set the m2 home and the Maven ops, and also I've added it in the path variable. Click OK, and again OK, and then I open the command prompt again. I'll close the old command prompt and open another new command prompt in here, and then I will check the Maven version in here, and now my Maven is installed, Apache Maven 3.6.3. So this is all done now. So Maven is installed in the system. So that's all in this session. Thank you so much.